Keeping conveyor belts clean and well maintained is crucial for efficient material handling in various industries. One essential tool for this task is the conveyor belt roller brush. These sturdy brushes are designed to effectively remove built-up debris, dust, and other contaminants from the rollers that support and guide conveyor belts. Made with durable bristles and rugged construction, they can withstand the harsh environments found in factories, warehouses, and processing plants. Conveyor belt roller brushes come in different sizes and bristle materials to suit the specific requirements of each application. Whether you need to clean small or large rollers, or tackle light or heavy-duty cleaning tasks, there is a brush tailored to meet your needs. Regular cleaning with these brushes not only enhances the performance and lifespan of the conveyor system, but also helps maintain a safe and hygienic work environment. By preventing buildup and minimizing downtime for maintenance, these brushes contribute to increased productivity and cost-effectiveness. With their versatility, durability, and proven effectiveness, conveyor belt roller brushes are an indispensable tool for any facility that relies on efficient material handling operations. Invest in quality roller brushes and experience the benefits of a